on, my future meta millionaires? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip, guys. We got a lot of great information. If you didn't catch the video I did earlier, it was a reaction to the Jim Cramer lightning round, so go check that video out. It was posted a couple hours ago. But we got some great information in DD in this video, so we got to get in here to it. And our buddy Ihor is back now. Like I said, Ihor, there's that, a little bit of controversy whether he's a part of the hedge funds and things like that, but we still got to take a look at that information. If you don't know, Ihor is the managing director of Predictive Analytics S3 Partners LLC financial analytics firm. And here is the post on Meta Materials today, guys. This was posted a couple hours ago. Actually, I got to go retweet this for my Twitter. Here you go. MMAT short interest is 98 million. 27.5 million shares are shorted. 11.55% of short interest afloat. 10.36% S3 short interest afloat. The fee to short, 3.08% fee. We're going to get into that fee on the Fintel website because I do believe it's even higher now, and I'm going to show you why. Shares shorted are up 6 million shares, worth 22 million, 28.05% over the last week. Shorts are up 98 million in 2021 mark-to-market profits, including, keep this in mind right here, including negative 4 million on today's 4.6% move. How much do you think they lost on the other day when we were up like 20%? Keep that in mind. Actually, I got to go pull up the last time Ihor did an update, and it was just, I'm going to put up my Twitter. All right, guys, so we're back here. The last post Ihor did on August the 20th. I retweeted it on the 21st. Look at this post. So back here he said, shorts are up 116 million in 2021 mark-to-market profits. That was back on August the 20th. We look here at his post today on his account, August 25th, so 5 days. The shorts lost, let's see, now it's 98 million. Today they're up, and they were up 116. So guys, the shorts lost $18 million in 5 days. That's right. If you look at it here, the post 4 hours ago on the 25th, it says the shorts are up 98 million in 2021 mark-to-market profits. We go back to the 21st, the shorts were up 5 days ago, $116 million. So that is phenomenal news. The shorts are down $18 million, and we got a lot to go because they're up $98 million. We got to get all that $98 million back into the pool of Meta and make these damn shorts cover their positions. Now let's go over here and take a look at the Fintel because I got some great information. All right, guys, so here we are on the premium Fintel. You can see pretty close to what he said. Short interest, 19.4 million shares, 1.7 days to cover. We still got the short interest float, 10.97. I did post out earlier, the short squeeze score is up to a 70.90, ranked 940 now, guys. Now, I know this could go up higher, but we were down in the 40s and 50s, and we jumped up like 20 points today. Keep that in mind. The short shares availability, 1 hour ago we had 250,000 shares. 25 minutes ago we had 150 shares. So someone shorted 100,000. Someone here was like, man, this thing's going up. They dropped back. They must have covered 250,000 shares, gave them back to the leading prime brokerage, and now someone said, I will short 100,000 shares. So someone took the gamble. Let's see how they go out. But here is the one I am the most excited to give you guys. The short borrower rate fee. This was updated 1 hour ago. Check that out. 4.28%. This stock is getting real expensive to short. It basically doubled almost, well, about 75%. What it was 22 hours ago to short the stock. We ended 22 hours ago at 2.66. And now it's 4.28% to borrow, because as we keep trending up and the shorts want to keep shorting it, guess what? It's going to cost them a lot more money to short it, And if they keep shorting and we keep, mooning 4 or 5% a day, that one day was like 20%, but we keep going 3, 4, 5% a day, this is going to keep going up. And the more they're paying, they're expecting to beat it back down. Now, let's go here and look at this, man. This is just phenomenal. Now, I know the FINRA makes up about 50% of the trading volume on average. Look at this, man. Is the shorts getting scared? Like, look at this. We were in the 50s and 60%, guys, over here on the FINRA volume and even on the combined volume of the FINRA, CBOE, and the PSX. We were 50, 60%. And as we've had the green days, look at this just shorten up like crazy. On the 20th, it was 52%. On the 23rd, it was 43%. On the 24th yesterday, it was 31%. And today, it's down to 22.36. The FINRA total volume is basically 2 million shares, and they only shorted basically about 1.3, 1.4 million shares. Now, I'm assuming this will be around 25%. Look at this here. From the 20th, it was 58.49%. On the 23rd, 47.73. On yesterday, it was 36.91. I'm thinking it's going to be like 25%, so it's going to be down another 10, 11%. So some of the shorts may be wising up and say, you know what, I'm just not going to keep adding to my position. Maybe I'll cover, because someone did return 250,000 shares to that leading, but someone did, and they shorted more. So I'm super excited to bring you that info, guys, that the borrower fee is up, and that's what we wanted to see. I'm seeing if we got any new information down here. Okay, now we got to go take a look at the buyers. Let's go see who we got here in the buyers. Still just the one I saw earlier. Now, this buyer here, man, they're in it pretty deep, I guess not really deep, but it's a Guidemark Small Mid-Cap Core Fund Services. They have 2,693 shares at an average price of $903. So they're probably in this for the long haul, guys. They are probably in this, like most of these guys are 750, so this is somewhere between 30 to 45 days ago, this company bought those 2,600 shares. And just look at all this green. I mean, look at all this. This is just totally phenomenal. 106 institutional buyers, 92 new open positions. That's what we want to see. We got to look at the sellers as well. Still no information. The TIF investment program is the last one. This weird negative 90,000 shares. I did go back in and took a screenshot of this and submitted this in as well. So I don't know if they're going to respond to my first one or my second email that I sent them on a question on this. So I just had to go in and put in a picture of it, so that way they can see what I'm talking about. Maybe they can explain to me. And once I get that answer, guys, I will definitely relay the messages back to you guys. Now, we cover the short transactions. These are short sale transactions the last 7 days and value greater or equal to $5,000 right here. Value is greater or equal to $5,000. And it says this is a temporary situation. In the future, we plan to offering tools to drill down every single transaction. So keep that in mind. In the future, they are looking to drill down every single transaction. So this is what we got for now. I went in here and did the spreadsheet for you guys. And we go down here to the bottom and give you all the juicy totals. Total short sale transactions for yesterday, 8/24, 131 short sale transactions. The total shares shorted, 364,922 shares. The total dollar amount of those shares shorted was $1,274,618.68. So that's a lot. That's a pretty heavy day. I mean, over $1 million a day, and the shorts are down, as we know, from where they was 5 days ago. They're down 18 million, guys. Now, there's no really particular one, I guess, institution or whatever we could say or person has shorted a crazy amount of shares like we did yesterday. We did have someone yesterday spend $99,000 in one transaction shorting all those shares. These are average around 6,000, 6,600 shares, 64. So 6,000 is about the average. There is some down here lower in the 4,000. So everything looks pretty normal, which we don't know if people's doing lower amounts to not draw the red flags on this, but I do think Fintel is probably the site that is really working the best with us to get us all the great information. And I did want to put this out here as well. Someone on Reddit, I believe, shared this link for MetaMaterials at the TAC Ops East 2021, which is going to be the event in Baltimore. I think it's September 8th, 9th, and 10th. They're going to have the Meta Shield here at their main. This is their main profile, and it has here in the booth. It's going to be Jared Carter and Richard Owen. So it doesn't look like George is going to be there. And their products and services, they're going to mainly have the Meta Shield. They do have a video here, so maybe I will put the link to this YouTube video in the pinned comments, so that way you guys can watch this video on the Meta Shield. It's about 3 minutes long, and you can send your information here if you want to register up for the event. But here, the Meta Shield is a flexible holographic optical film engineered to provide laser glare protection by selectively blocking 532 nm green laser light used in greater 90% of laser strikes. Unlike dye-based alternatives, it is a highly transparent and causes minimal color distortion. The convenient, flexible, self-adhesive film is added to existing equipment, including helmets, visors, goggles, face shield, and riot shields. Now here it says, Meta delivers previously unachievable performance across a range of applications by inventing, designing, developing, manufacturing sustainable, highly functional materials. Our extensive technology platform enables leading global brands to deliver breakthrough products to their customers in consumer electronics, 5G communication, health and wellness, aerospace, automotive, and clean energy. Our achievements have been widely recognized, including named a Global Clean Tech 100 company. Learn more at metamaterial.com. So what I can say, what I like about this Meta Shield is that you don't have to buy like a whole shield from them. That's a good selling point, because if a lot of these police agencies and things like that already have all their equipment, they could just buy the film to put over it. That is a great selling point. So I do like seeing that here. And alright guys, that is all the information. A lot of great information in this video. Please remember, after watching the live premiere, to go down in the comments, leave a comment, help out that YouTube algorithm, smash the thumbs up. It helps out getting this great information shared out to other meta heads, man. It's crazy how many new MetaMaterial fans we're getting. So we want to make sure we get all the great information out. Of course, go check out your boy Sterling, and go check out our Uncle Smokey. We're like the trio, man. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below. We got that Patreon, got that Weeble, got all kind of stuff down there. Go check out the description, guys. Got some shirts down there. Got to create a new Meta shirt and all that. So catch you guys in the next video. Peace.